Okay, so you are going to be mixing your tints and shades. So for my first one, I'm starting with red. You're going to start with your primary colors first. I don't care which one you start with. You're trying really hard to stay inside those lines. Clearly, I did not, but what's going to happen is I'm going to paint over that and I am going to fix it. So I decided I am going to mix my orange next for the bottom half of that page. You can do it in any order that you want. You should still be comparing your secondary colors to your color wheel to make sure you are getting the right color. And then I'm also writing the color that I mixed down there. So now I had so much paint on my brush, I just kind of wipe it off onto that little spot right there. And I am mixing a tint of my orange. Remember, tints are when you add white. So you are making a lighter value of that orange. Washing my brush really good, just like last time. If you're not washing your brush really good, you're going to get muddy colors. Muddy colors means all your colors are going to look a little bit brown. So when you're mixing your shade, you need the tiniest amount of black. I am talking like a little speck of black, like the size of the tip of a needle. That is how much black you want. At least start there. And then if you need more, you can add more. If you start with like a bunch of black, we are just going to waste a ton of paint. So black is probably, when you're making the shade, that's going to probably be the most challenging one. So now I'm going to make my shade, or I'm sorry, my tint of red, making a pink, and I am painting it in the correct spot, trying really hard to stay inside those lines because we're also practicing clean brush strokes. Washing really good every time. You guys get the idea. Drying the brush so that you're not watering down your paints. Again, hopefully you saw that I just used the smallest amount of black. It was still too much though, so I'm adding more red to get my shade. You are going to do this for the whole front page of your worksheet, and that is it.